Pizzi Leccesi. Welcome to Salento, Apulia, Italy. The smell is already spectacular. Let's taste it. First of all, we start with the dough. The Italian name of this kind of bread is Pizzi Leccesi. So for the dough we need 300 ml of water and 7 grams of fresh yeast, so common in Italy. Maybe in your country you can find only dry yeast. 2-3 grams will be enough. For the flour we need, I read it, 350 grams of durum with semolina flour, 150 grams of normal flour. We mix together and we add also 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix the flours together with the salt and the sugar. Now we add half of this mix in the water. We stir very well, and after we can complete with the remaining flour and work our dough a few minutes. When all the flour is absorbed, so there is no flour anymore in your container, we take a kitchen towel, we cover it, and we put apart. We will work again the dough a little bit in 10 minutes. So now I can give you the list of the stuff that we put inside. Before I give you the list, please don't say anything about my hair. Yeah, I cut it and this is the result. Is 80s style, so the day will grow again, don't worry. Coming back to the things that we will put inside, we will use 1 onion. This is called onion from Tropea city. It's red and long. Half pepper. I will use the yellow to give a little bit of color. 180 grams of fresh tomatoes. 2 teaspoons of capers. This is homemade capers, preserved in salt. This is a gift from Ilenia. Thank you, Ilenia, for this gift. You can make it at home, especially if you are visiting the south of Italy in this period, in the summer. You will find many wild capers, plants that you can collect the gem, and also, no, the gem is an Italian word. You can collect the blossom and also the leaves. So you already can find a video about the blossom, but also I will post very soon a video about you can preserve also the leaves. So if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell. In this way you will receive the message when I will post also this video. And 50 grams of olives, homemade preserved olives. You can remove the pit. I will remove the pit and put directly inside the pot. There will be pieces of olives. If not, you can buy the pitted olives, so without the stone, so nobody will break the teeth. And plus, I was forgetting again, 1 teaspoon of oregano, but I will put this at the end. If you put the oregano at the beginning, because it's dry, you can burn it and after the taste will be no good. So now in this pot, we will put 1 tablespoon of rosemary oil, 1 tablespoon of basil oil, and 1 tablespoon of chili oil. The one with the lemon, I keep it for the fish, especially when I cook the octopus. So let's cut the onion. We need to cook first the onion. Please don't burn the onion. So the fire at the minimum power, and we should cover it so with the steam will be soft and well cooked. Waiting, we can cut the tomatoes. The tomatoes, because they are small, you can cut in half. If you are using one big tomato, cut in small pieces. Half pepper. If you cut here, also the green part will be super easy to clean it inside. And after you cut in small slices, and we will put together tomato and pepperoni inside the pot. Not pepperoni and pepper. Pepperoni is Italian word. Now we add the 2 teaspoons of capers, and after the 50 grams of olives, I will remove the pit from inside and put directly in the pot. I lost also the teaspoon. Okay. I will not add the salt because the salt is already in the capers. We switch off our stove and we should wait that reach the room temperature. More or less we will need 30 minutes. Now, because already 10 minutes pass, we work again our dough, we cover, and in 30 minutes we will put all the ingredients together. After 30 minutes, we put our pepperoni and tomato together with the dough, we work the dough and we shape already our buns, and we put on a baking paper with little bit of durum flour. We add a little bit of durum flour also on the top. We cover and we should wait that our buns double. After we will bake them in the oven preheated at 220 Celsius degree. And after 20 minutes at 220 Celsius degree, they are ready. Now they are super hot, so we need to wait at least 10 minutes and after we can do the tasting. The smell is already spectacular. This one you can eat it like this because they're already stuffed, so let's test it. Spectacular with homemade wine. This is Primitivo, also wine here from the Salento, from Apulia. All together they are spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you try to make it at home, Let us know down in the comment. If you have some requests, some advice, always down in the comment. If you are visiting Italy, the south of Italy, Apulia, let me know through Instagram. We can meet and maybe you can test something or we can do something together. Bye bye. Inside is soft, outside is crunchy. Let's see if you can hear the sound. This one I pressed already for the Italian channel. Let's try. This is spectacular. Bye bye.